What's up, boys? Today we're going to be doing a trade recap. This is yesterday. I've had a lot of life stuff going on recently. Kind of cut out all the short form content. Just looking to bang something out right now. Little YouTube video of my trade recap. I hate showing money, but this was yesterday's trade. This was the trade we took, and I'm going to show you guys how and why I took this. So I only trade NQ. I never trade any other index, any other anything. Only NQ or MNQ. Today was MNQ. I trade continuations if you didn't know. So this is what I see coming into market open. Here, I'll show you guys on NQ. Because I always watch NQ, and then if I have to execute on MNQ, I do that. So market open. I don't really see anything. I'm not really sure if I'm bearish or bullish. I'm open to anything. There's clear draws down here, clear draws above. I was open to it. S&P, if you look here, we are trending towards all-time highs. All-time highs was this high right here. And this high was very close, so if we were going to long, this was going to be my overall draw, which it was. Scale down. We'll look at the 15-minute. I didn't really see much. I see this huge displacement above London high right around 10:15, 10:30. Create this nice 15-minute gap. Would have also taken like a nice 5-minute gap continuation higher, assuming for the S&P to push to this high before all-time highs. And I see NQ pulls down into this 15-minute gap. The way that I enter on 1-minute candle closures if we are entering into a 5-minute fair value gap and then displacing from there. If we are retracing into a 15-minute fair value gap, majority of the time I will execute on the 5-minute, which I did today. Sometimes I do execute on the 1-minute if it's like very heavy displacement, like a trade that you have to enter, but usually it's a 5-minute. So I wait to see a retrace in this 15-minute gap. You see we get this huge candle displacement on the 5-minute, and that was my entry point. Stop loss goes right below here, and this is my break even, this internal high, but I really just wanted to wait for the S&P to take that high right before all-time high. So how did I manage my trade, I'd ask? Here, I enter on here, as I said. We push above here. Stop loss goes to break even at this internal. Okay, so after we sweep that internal, stop loss is right there. I'm losing nothing on this trade. Then I really just wanted to exit at that high. So I wait for a retracement because as you can see, we've formed another 15-minute gap right here. Wait for a retracement into there. After we sweep again, this internal high, pushing towards that S&P high that I was targeting, then I move my stop loss to right here, this low. I'm not going to mark it, but I moved my stop loss to this low, which secured me around 400 per account. And then I just wait for the S&P to take that high all the way up here. And yeah, that is my trade, as you can see here. So I exited right on here. Yeah, that's my trade. I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a great day.